Well, here we are, middle of October, and our little roundabout that we've started putting plants in has done well through the summer. We've had cosmos in there to fill the space in the middle. You may recall from other videos this area here is, in the grass, is full of spring flowering bulbs, crocus and daffodils, narcissi. We're going to put some more crocus and probably some more daffodils in here over the next month or two. But I'm just looking at these cosmos, which are just starting to go over now. They're still enjoying a bit of kind of late, well, it's not late summer, it's early autumn sunshine, and I can just see the bees enjoying their little harvest of pollen there. And before I cut them down, which is going to happen in the next week or two, I just thought I'd have a look and see if we can harvest any seeds off these dead flowers here. And there's a good example there, I think. Yes, let's have a closer look at that one. There we are. So you can see that's a dead flower just there, and I can see that the seeds just in the center of that dead flower are turning black, and if we give that a little bit of a kind of a squeeze, out they pop. Can you see that? That's what we want, is the black seeds there. If they don't pop out like that, then they're not ripe, and if they're not black very often, that means they're not ripe. Just as they start to dry out like that, and we get these lovely black seeds, they are perfect. Let's see if we can find some more. Whoa! Look at that little beauty. You can see he's dried out completely, and the seeds are just hanging there, and in the natural they would just kind of blow off in the wind and hopefully make it through the winter, but we're going to collect some of them. Just blowing the husks away, so we get left with the viable seeds. There we are, and now back in the house, you can see that we've got our seeds. I've left them to dry out in this piece of kitchen roll here, very absorbent, and we've got some nice seeds in there. We've got quite a few husks as well that won't do anything, but all those kind of browny, maybe almost black seeds that you can see there, we'll be able to sow those next, where are we? Probably would do them about next March, something like that, in the greenhouse, and we'll have seedlings by April. We'll put those up into to packs or to plants, so we can plant them out in May. Of course, I'm finding there's an ever-increasing range of new varieties of cosmos, lovely combinations of colours. Let's show you a couple of pictures as I'm talking here. There you go. Yeah, if you want to have something a bit different, or if you find that your seed that you took didn't germinate, you can always go and buy some more and keep your local garden centre or nursery in business. Thanks very much, and let us know how you get on with your cosmos.